Hey guys, it's Mike with LiftedTrucks.com. We've been selling and building off-road vehicles since 1995, and we're super excited to announce our very own lift kit design. Our new lift kits feature full front struts instead of spacers, along with upgraded front and rear shocks. This truck started out as a stock F-150. We added our own custom lift kit design. We also added 35-inch Nitto MT tires and 20-inch fuel off-road wheels. We took this stock F-150 and turned it into a badass off-road machine. At LiftedTrucks.com, quality and customer service will always be our #1 priority, and we're always looking for ways to improve. Come check us out at LiftedTrucks.com. Part of all sales at Lifted Trucks will go to help preserve our national parks. Thank you guys for choosing LiftedTrucks.com.